In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P this morning, staying below 902, was looking for some downside movement towards 58.54. Made a quick spike down right at opening, but turned right back around with some upside strength to break that big macro price and headed to the upside target. We started out this morning in the macro 20, right at opening move, spiked up, held at 888, moved down. Ended up being that head fake, setting up a nice reversal opportunity at the bottom of the macro 20 channel. And set up for long opportunities with that strength, setting up longs all the way back to the top of the channel. Enough strength to break and retest, putting us up into the next macro 20. And then the waves start getting a little weaker, but still setting up some good long opportunities, those higher lows at the SRs before stalling out, setting up a nice lower high, moving back down. Over on the NQ this morning, big macro view, staying below 354, was looking for movements towards 112. Quick head fake down, shot right back up above that macro price. Started out in that macro 10 this morning, right at opening, short at 252, held at the midpoint of that next macro channel, and then reversed right back up through with quite a bit of strength, moved all the way to the top of the next macro 20 channel, setting up other long opportunities. Finally broke out of that, put us into the next macro view, setting up other long opportunities, stalled out, setting up for a good short, moving back to the top of the channel. Over on crude oil, big macro view this morning, 61.55, staying below there, looking for movements to 60.54. Made a bounce through it, came back and tested it, heading up. Started out in that macro 20 this morning though. Off the key price level, right at opening, held at the top of the channel. Setting up for good shorts, breaking all the way through the midpoint and the key. Moved all the way to the bottom of the channel, stalled out at the bottom of that channel, did set up a nice long at the low of the day. With enough strength to push back up for other long opportunities. Just couldn't break that key price level. Settled back below, a nice lower high off the key. Moved with strength, breaking out of that macro 20 and put us into the next. Setting up some other long and shorts off those SRs. Just have to be patient, wait for those lower highs and higher lows. Stayed in that range before breaking back up towards the opening price of the day. No fills on my trades today.